to connect Discord account to Amazon Music. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to Amazon Music. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner. And under the account settings option you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply click on add from the top right corner, and over here when you will scroll down you will be able to see the option called Amazon Music. Just simply tap on it and it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your Amazon account successfully. And once you have logged in into your Amazon account, all you have to do is just simply click on continue in order to connect Discord and Amazon Music successfully. And as soon as you click on continue, your Discord account will be successfully connected to the Amazon Music quite easily. So this is basically how simple it is to connect Discord account to Amazon Music. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.